Hello everyone and welcome to Thinking with Mathematical Models 2.4. Learning target today is I'll be able to use tables and graphs to estimate solutions to linear equations and inequalities. Remember, inequalities are things like -5 is less than 2 or -2 is greater than -5. This is a greater than or equal to. This is a less than or equal to. Those are inequalities. Okay, so we want to be able to use tables and graphs to estimate solutions to linear equations and inequalities and use symbolic reasoning to find exact solutions. Okay, ACEs for 2.4 are going to be 20, 22, 23, and 39 through 44. So in 2.4, this is our boat rental business. This is on page 41. Excuse me. It says Sandy's Boathouse rents canoes at a cost advertised at $9 per hour for trips on the Red Cedar River. But the owner actually gives customers a better deal. She was once a math teacher and she uses the equation C is for charge, equals 0.15 T, T is for time in minutes, plus 2.50 to find the charge of C in dollars for renting a canoe for T minutes. Okay, C is charge, T is minutes. It says for our problem, and this is on page 41, I want you guys to do A through C. Okay, do A through C. When Rashida and Serena applied for jobs at Sandy's, the owner gave them the following test questions to see if they could calculate charges correctly. Hey, look, math in the real world. Weird. A1 says explain what the numbers in the equation C equals 0.15T plus 2.50 tell you about the situation. So explain to me what the numbers mean. What does 0.15 mean in this situation? And what does 2.50 mean in this particular situation? Then the test goes on to ask them, how much does it cost to rent a canoe for 25 minutes? Where would you plug that 25 into this equation, and what does the result then tell you? Question 3 says a customer is charged $9.25. So again, now where are we going to take that $9.25? Where are we going to plug that in to our equation and then be able to solve for the other variable? Because remember, you have two variables here. You have C for charge and T for time in minutes. Okay, each one of these gives you a clue as to what variable you should be substituting in for, and then you need to be solving for the other one. So if a customer is charged $9.25, how long did he use the canoe? Also, another customer has $6 available to spend. How long can she use a canoe for $6? Part B says the owner gave Rashida a graph of the same equation, so this is the graph of the same equation, and asked her how it could be used to estimate answers to question A, meaning how could she use it to estimate the answers to parts 2, A2, A3, and A4. So using this graph, how could she answer A2, A3, and A4? So that's for Rashida. And then for Serena, the owner asked her how she could use this table, again, to answer questions A2 through A4 by using this table and estimating. Okay? So that's A, B, and C. That's what I want you to work through here. Should have a pretty good understanding of how to use a graph and a table by the time you get done here. And then be able to do ACES 2.4, 20, 22, and 23, as well as 39 through 44. If you have any stuck points or any questions, let me know in class and we'll help you get through them.